How do you add your TikTok link to your Instagram bio, guys? Let's go. It's simple. On your TikTok, you're going to copy the link. How do you do that? You click here on this arrow to share. When you click the arrow, there's a QR code, and below it, there's the option to copy the link. You can click here to copy it. Link copied, as you can see. Now we can share this TikTok link here in your Instagram bio. You click on your profile picture, then on your profile, you'll click on the edit profile option and you'll come to this menu. In this menu, there's already an option for you to add a link. Click on it and that's it. Now, as you can see here, there's a plus sign, add link. Click on this option and paste the URL we just copied from TikTok, okay? So you click to paste. I'll paste it here, done. The URL is pasted. Now you can give it a title here. In this case, I can write, for example, TikTok done. After you've added the link and the title, click on this icon up here. You can click it. It will be processed here and you'll add the link. The link has been added to your bio, as you can see. And if you go back, I'll go back here. You can go back. You'll notice that there's now a TikTok link here. Notice that in this case, guys, it's showing some characters here that don't look very nice on your profile. Okay? By clicking here, the person can go to your TikTok profile. If you want to make this link look nicer, if you don't want to leave such a long link, what should you do? You can use a link shortener. So you can go to Google, you can use a link shortener like bit.ly, for example. You don't even need to finish typing. It already appears below. It's very popular. Just click on it. Click on this first option. And here it's very simple. You can just paste your TikTok profile link into this space. I'll paste it. Click here to create a shortened version, okay? I'm going to click. As you can see, it gave me a shortened version here. Here I can copy this link and then come here and paste it into my Instagram profile, okay? I'm going to paste the shortened version. Here you can enter any title you want, like TikTok, for example. Done. Now click here again to add it. It's very simple to add. It's been added. You can go back and it will look visually nicer on your profile, okay? So that's how you add your TikTok link to your Instagram bio. I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.